Menarilah dan terus tertawa, walau dunia tak seindah surga. Bersyukurlah pada yang kuasa, cinta kita di dunia selamanya. Selamanya. Laskar pelangi takkan terikat waktu.
Hey guys!
Hi guys!
Oh whoa! This is at the end, and so we're still on our way to the beach. You wanna go to the beach? You wanna go? Okay then. Bye bye.
No.
No?
No.
And there's the mom there.
No.
And there's Audrey there.
No.
Hello. Audrey clap. Audrey clap. Jayden go.
Let's go.
Slowly. Too hard. Out there. Do you want to say bye-bye to the people watching this? Bye-bye. Say bye to the camera.
Bye-bye, camera.
Bye-bye, camera.
Bye-bye, camera. Bye-bye.
I live my day as if it was the last. Live my day as if there was no past. Doing it all night, all summer. Doing it the way I wanna. Yeah, I'ma dance my heart out till the dawn. But I won't be done when morning comes.
Hey guys, we're finally in the beach. Woo! After for like 4 or 5 hours or 6 hours ride, we're finally here. Audrey's really excited. Jayden wants to ride the boat, even though there's no boat. Let's go, Jayden. Let's go.
Oh.
Let's go.
Oh. Jayden, bawa aku kat jalan enggak?
Look at it, guys. I'm so excited. I'm actually wearing my sandals because I'm lazy. Ooh, yes. We're here. It actually looks so pretty, guys. I can't even. Oh, it's like worth it sitting in the car for hours. Look at the view. It's so pretty.
I know that it's fine no matter what I do. I know that it's mine whether I win or lose. And even though my heart needs to take its time, I know that it's mine. I know that it's mine.
My name is no. My sign is no. My number is no. You need to let it go. You need to let it go. I to the no. Guys, so I just told my sister to ride a road trip in the sand, and look what she wrote. She wrote a no trip. When I said road trip, I mean ROAD, not like no trip. Audrey, you're so smart. Hey guys, so it's currently 10:30 p.m. at night and we just arrived in the house back with my grandpa's and grandma's house. So yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog right now. Bye guys!